when we talk about the body being an electromagnetic being, and we're saying that there's a power, primal power, it's equal to a voltage. So when we talk about restoring the primal power, we're talking about restoring voltage. When we talk about alkalinity in green juices and salads, we're talking about substances that have excessive amounts of electrons. A life-generating atom has more electrons on the outer belt than it has protons in the nucleus, and that's that's fundamental to tissue cleansing. And the extra electrons, the electrons are like little life force generators. Boom, 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 boom. If something is alkaline in the body, it means it's contributing extra electrons. That's that which is going to generate the current in the body. It follows quite easily that that would have a current, that would have a voltage. So when we talk about alkaline reserve is the idea that we have this sort of bank account of electrons. And if we put more electrons in our bank account than we even need that day, we can start to accumulate a reserve of electrons, an alkalinity reserve. So think in terms of this. Alkalinity equals extra electrons. Extra electrons are the life force generators, and they have voltage because they are the electrical force in the body. So as we start to conceive of ourselves as beings of primal power, and we understand the primal power is fire, then it starts to make a lot of sense. Why are these foods healthy for us? Why are they considered, as I've called them, human foods as opposed to other substances? What makes them human foods? Well, because if a human is being a primal power, and primal power is an electrical force, is a fire, then, and let's get another thing to the table. Highly alkaline foods are highly oxygenating. So we know that we feed the fire, we increase the fire when we bring in extra, primal oxygen, prime oxygen, let me say that, prime oxygen, primo oxygen. The more oxygen, the more the fire will flame. The bigger our primal power breath will be.